Hey, what's happening? Thank you for requesting more information on my or one of my team members' posts. Right now, I'm going to take you in and show you really quickly how we're making this money with this mobile network. We're doing everything using our mobile device. We are Mpc Mobile Network, and we are a membership earning community that's making money with our mobile device. If you have an Apple or Android phone, you could be making anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per day by simply just inviting people into the network. And not only that, you guys get this instantly. This is instant money that's coming into you. You don't have to wait for any payments to come out or anything like that. It comes directly to whatever payment processor you set up in your back office. We have a fully digital site for you with membership tracking, email notifications, and everything, and it's all tied right into your mobile device. Now I'm going to go down really quick and get to why you're here. You want to see this money. I'm going to show you guys something. We're a membership earning community like I previously stated, so that means we have membership packages that you come in on. Now understand this, we have nothing to buy, nothing to sell. We just simply get our membership, introduce others to this great mobile program. When they join, boom, you're paid. When they upgrade, boom, you're paid. Now let me tell you what makes that even more interesting. Now with most companies, they touch your money. They take a portion of your money. Here, you receive 100% on every member that comes in. How about that? What if you was at the health club and introduced somebody to it? You would not receive 100% of anything. They probably wouldn't give you nothing, right? And you're definitely not going to get anything off monthly payments. Here, we do not even have monthly payments. Not at all. The only thing that we have here is you pay one time only, and you're paid from that point on, guys. See how simple that is? Now let's go over our membership packages. When you come in, you pay $100 to your sponsor, $10 for your administrative fee, which has you here for life. Now, each one of our membership package is packed with training. Now, you can use the training. You can even sell the training. That's up to you guys. It's totally up to you. This is a gift from us to you for joining. You're going to receive your silver membership package, which contains 4 trainings. When you upgrade into the 250 strictly from profits, all upgrades are from profits, and you also have spillover cash. Now, I know a lot of people say, yeah, I want spillover people. Well, how about spillover cash money? That's what we're doing over here at our mobile club, okay? So your gold membership is at $250. That opens up 8 trainings to you guys in marketing and networking. This thing is amazing. Then when you upgrade into our $1,000 package, our premium package, that is 42 trainings, guys. Wow, this thing is jam-packed, right? And it's all from where? Your mobile device. Oh, man. This is from your mobile device. This thing is amazing. Let's look at the compensation plan, how you guys can make really quick money. Now watch this. This is crazy. You're going to join for $100, right here. This is our package cost. This is our membership. You notice it say just 5 people. I'm going to show you with 5 people how you guys are going to make $5,500. Watch this. With 5 people, this is your reward for your, when you come in, this is the money that you're making as your people join per person. Then you look at this right here. These are your upgrades, and this is spillover capital. This is the money you get to go to Target, Walmart, the mall, go buy a car, whatever you want to do. This is yours to do with as you will. Now, this is how it works. You come in at a silver membership package, right? That is $100. The $10, you're going to pay the $10 for your admin fee. When you introduce this to just 5 people who have mobile devices, everybody has a cell phone. And imagine you asking them, hey, how would you like to make money with your phone? They're going to say, yes, of course, right? So when your 5 mobile marketing friends come in, that's going to be $500 going to your account. That's 100 times the 5 members. That's 500. Now, from that, you're going to upgrade into the next level, which is your gold membership. Remember what I told you? Everything is from profit. Now, when you upgrade, that's $250 left over already. You have your money back plus profit, guys, in one fell swoop. Do you see how fast we're making money? You can do this today. You can make this money today, guys. It's a no-brainer because everybody has a phone, and just saying that you can make money with your phone is intriguing to people. So now, let's go further. As you now are up in the gold level, right, when your team members duplicate your effort because you're building your mobile network, guys, as your people are working with you with your mobile devices, and they're upgraded to the 250 just like you did, that's going to give you $1,250. Now, you notice it says the same 5 people. You don't have to run out getting a whole lot of people. You can do this with 5 people, right? Just working with your team. Everybody only needs to get 5, the power of 5. That's it, guys. Now, what happens is this. You've just collected $1,250. From the $1,250, pinch off that $1,000, right? Don't go to the mall yet. We're going to go shopping pretty soon. But pinch that $1,000 off, send it into your premium platinum, and bank another $250, guys. Guys, that could happen tomorrow. You're already 500 up. Spendable money. Now, when your team members duplicate your efforts, because duplication is the key, when they come into that $1,000 level, guys, time those 5 people, that's $5,000. Oh my God. Nothing else to upgrade into. You collect the whole 5,000. When you add the 5,000 with the previous spillovers of 250 and 250, that's $5,500 in no time flat. Look, guys, that's 5,500. You could do 5,500 every week if you're serious. If you're serious, you can work along with my team, and we're going to be dropping people into people's accounts. All we need is your link. We're all working together to make this happen. So when you join, give us your link. We're going to be working with you. But that don't mean just come in and sit here. Work with us, promote with us, because now it's going to go even faster. It's going to go even faster, guys. 5,500. I showed that to you one more time. Come in for the 100, bring in 5, collect 500, upgrade for 250. Bank 250. When you're 5, duplicate your efforts, because duplication is the key. Upgrade into the 250. Same 5 people, 1,250. Right? Upgrade into the 1,000. Bank 250. When your team members duplicate that effort at 1,000 each, oh my God. Now I'm saying 5. Understand something. This number 5 here is for illustration purposes only. This could be 5, 50, 500, 1,000, it doesn't matter how many people. I'm using a low number of 5 just for illustration purposes only, and how many people you know right now in your cell phone contact list that has a mobile device, guys. Come on. So now when they duplicate your efforts at that 1,000, time to 5 people, $5,000. Nothing else comes out of your pocket at that point. You collect the whole 5K. When you add the previous spillovers of 250, that's 5,500. Who's ready to get this money, guys? Who's seriously ready to make some serious money by doing absolutely nothing but sending out a text message, inviting other people to join? How do we do it? When they ask for information, you send them out a text message which contains this. You ask them on Facebook, hey, let me get your phone number or email address. Either one they give you, we have the pre-written text message that you send to them. You send it to them, they look at this information right here, bam, they're ready to go. We're doing all of the work for you guys. So all you got to do, if you could text from your phone, if you could send an email from your phone, you can do this and be hitting $5,500, guys. 5,500 can be hit by you. Guys, this is amazing. So right now, we're not going to procrastinate on this. We're not going to beat around the bush. I'm ready for you to get in. I'm ready to get you started. Let's make this money. Thank you for requesting information. I hope the information that you received is helping you to make your executive decision. You guys have a great day, and I look forward to working with you on the inside of the Mpc Mobile Network. Let's get this money, guys. Remember, 5,500 could be hitting your account just by doing a little bit of work, guys. Let's make it happen. Cashmere Rich coming to you live and direct out of Chicago. You guys have a great day. Take care.